Hey, getting out here on Lake Cushman. Just gonna go out for a couple hours. I did bring my fishing pole. It's just nice to be out here today. My goal is to get to the other end of the lake. And it's a beautiful lake. It's nice to be out here. Maybe catching a kokanee or two. That'd be nice. Alright, you land lovers and scallywags. It's time for departure. It's time to set off on our great adventure. Alright, I'm going to be heading out that way and taking a right sometime. It is getting windy out here. I'm gonna have to turn around and go back. I got myself back here hoping the wind would die down a little bit in a little cove, but it's only gotten worse, so it's gonna be a little bit of an adventure getting back.